Bonjour! Today I'm going to show you how to add flowers inside your letters in Procreate. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use a mask to add your flowers inside your letter and how to add a paper texture easily on your canvas. All the resources I'm going to use, like this color palette and this image, are available for free in the description just below this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the following canvas settings. First, we will set the background color, go to your Layers panel, tap the background color layer, then tap this white color from the color palette. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this dark blue color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add, then add text, then write your letter. Go to your Layers panel, tap on your new text layer and tap Edit Text. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. I'm going to use the Montserrat font. You can download it thanks to the link below this video. Put it in black style with a fairly large size, then tap Done. Tap the transformation tool icon, then move your letter in the center thanks to snapping, and resize it to your desired size. Now let's add the image with the flowers. Tap the Actions menu, Add, and insert a photo. Go to your Layers panel, put your text layer above, tap on it, then tap Rasterize. Pick the color from the background image and drop it on your letter. Tap on your image layer, put it above, tap with two fingers on it and slide to the left to lower the opacity. Tap the transformation tool icon and move your layer where you want to be visible on your letter. If the image doesn't fill the letter completely, you can use the smudge tool to fill it. Now let's add a mask to add the flowers inside your letter. Duplicate your image layer. Put it in full opacity. Tap on it, untap Mask. Select this layer. Tap the Selection tool. Put it in Automatic mode. Tap and hold with your Apple Pencil on the flowers and drag to the right or to the left to select your flower's shape. Tap Invert. Go to your Layers panel. Tap the Layer Mask. Tap the Color button and pick the color black. Then drop it on your canvas. Now go to your brush library, Airbrushing brush set, and select the soft brush. If you use the black color, it hides your layer. and if you use the white color, it reveals your layer. So use your brush to refine the shape of your flowers. For example, use the black color to hide the bottom part of your flowers. You can create a new layer below with a different color to better see the missing parts. You can now hide or delete those two layers. Now let's add some shadows and highlights to add volume to your letter. Let's begin with the inner shadow. Tap and hold with 2 fingers on your letter layer. You have selected your letter shape. Tap invert. Create a new layer above. Tap the color button and drop this dark blue color inside it. Tap on your layer and put it as a clipping mask. Tap the transformation tool icon and move your layer down. Tap the Adjustments menu icon, tap Gaussian Blur, then slide to the right to choose the amount of blur. Tap on your layer with 2 fingers and slide to the left to reduce the opacity. Now let's add thin shadows and highlights. duplicate your letter layer twice. Select this one, tap the color button and drop this dark blue color. Tap the transformation tool icon and move it up a little bit. Select this one, tap the color button and drop this white color. Tap the transformation tool icon and move it down a little bit. Now let's add the paper texture. Create a new layer. Tap the color button and select the dark blue color. Go to the brush library, Textures brush set, and select the Melaleuca brush. Use your brush on your entire canvas lightly. Reduce the opacity of your layer and duplicate it. Put one at the bottom of your layers panel, and the second one as a clipping mask of your letter layer. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 50%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Noise and slide to adjust to 6%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that if you want to get weekly tutorials, lettering brushes, and color palettes directly to your inbox for free, you can join my newsletter thanks to the link available in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!